I'm Mike Bubbins, I'm a coach of Clwb Rygbi Cymry Caerdydd, Dan Oith.
Da iawn, Mali.
Played rugby all my life, started playing back in the 80s when it was like 4 points for a try and no one had any teeth. But my little boy wanted to start playing rugby about 2 or 3 years ago, and then so we found Clwb Rygbi Cymry Caerdydd. I offered to help out with the coaching. Tried to do as much as I can in Welsh. Kids helped me with that a lot. If I don't understand something, I'll ask the kids what it is in Welsh, or I'll ask one of the coaches what that is in Welsh.
What's Welsh for offside, you know? Come steady.
I try to use little phrases. I got one of these from the WRU, which is just a phrase book to help you with some of the stuff you use in rugby. If I'm not sure of it, I'll say it in Welsh, then I'll say what I think I'm saying in English.
Get up, pal, gyntaf. With the ball, first thing is.
And it's amazing now. I'll wrong get it sometimes, but I mean, the kids are great with it. I'd sort of say, arall llinell, in a line. And my son would say, you're not saying in a line, Dad, you're saying on a line. I've been doing it now for 2 years. Hopefully by the time he's playing sort of veterans rugby, when he's about 38, I'll be fluent. I think the parents of the Welsh-speaking kids really appreciate you trying to make an effort with Welsh. I think the biggest problem people have is they're worried about making a fool of themselves, getting it wrong, sounding like the spy from a low. Don't worry about it. If you make a mistake, it's fine. The kids will laugh it off. I just think it's nice for my son. I mean, we made the decision to put him into a Welsh school. For him to see me making an effort on a Sunday is nice. I think he gets a kick out of coaching Dad and teaching Dad. I think it's nice if you're coaching that you're being coached at the same time. Is a nice way to do it, I think.